Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Samsung model and software version so you download the right resources. Next, boot into safe mode to see if an app causes fading. If the problem stops, an app is the culprit. Once done, inspect adaptive brightness and power saving. These change gamma and max brightness to save battery. Make sure you test at different ambient light levels while noting whether the fade is uniform or patchy. That detail guides hardware versus software steps. You should update the OS and display driver first because many faded screen bugs are patched. Once updated, reset display settings and adjust color balance or screen mode to recalibrate gamma and saturation. This often restores perceived contrast. Then run Samsung Members Diagnostics. Check pixel integrity, backlight uniformity, and brightness calibration. If adaptive algorithms still misbehave, disable them and manually set brightness. This isolates whether firmware curves or sensors cause the fade. If software fixes fail, you need to inspect hardware. Check the display connector and charging port for dirt or corrosion that affects voltage to the backlight. Next, test with an external display or a known good replacement screen to determine if the panel or main board is faulty. Once you know which component fails, back up your data and proceed with warranty service or an authorized repair. If a repair shop replaces parts, request a short warranty. If problems persist, ask them to check the power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.